How to do the perfect barbell squat for maximum leg development. The squat's primary movers are the quads with knee extension and the glutes, and some emphasized to the adductors with hip extension. Stabilizers include the spinal erectors, lats, and core. High bar squats emphasize the quads, while low bar squats shift more focus to the posterior chain. Set the bar at mid-sternum height. Grip as close to your shoulders as possible without feeling any shoulder pain. The further apart your grip, the less stable you'll be. Think about bending the bar over your back to engage your lats and lock in the upper body tension. Take 3 steps back. First, a small step back with your non-dominant leg, then a slightly wider step with the other, and finally a mini step to even out your feet. Both narrow and wide stances work, so experiment to find what feels best. For most people, a stance just outside shoulder width with toes slightly flat out works best. Maintain even weight distribution from heel to toe. Screw your feet into the floor. Imagine ripping the ground apart. This externally rotates the hips, engages the glutes, and protects the knees. Pro tip: place a mini band above your knees during warm-ups to reinforce knee tracking. Head should be looking straight ahead with your chest up. Rotate your pelvis slightly to prevent lower back arching. Keep your weight centered over your midfoot. Elbows should point slightly back. Having them straight down can lead to elbow pain. Take a deep 360-degree inhale into your belly, ribs, and lower back. Hold your breath until the rep is completed. Signs: Nugget. Intra-abdominal pressure reduces spinal compression by 40%. So only exhale at the top of the lift. Break at the hips and knees simultaneously. Push your knees forward and out in line with your toes while your hips travel straight down. Control the eccentric phase and keep your chest from caving in. The bar should travel straight down when viewed from the side. Aim for at least parallel depth or deeper if mobility allows. Be careful to stop before your butt tucks under. If you struggle to reach depth, try lifting shoes with an elevated heel. Placing plates under your heels, using a wider stance. At the bottom position, pause for half a second before exploding back up. Drive through your entire foot while thinking about pushing the floor away from you. Hips and chest should rise together. If your hips shoot up first, your quads may be weak. If your chest rises first, your glutes or lower back may need more work. Keep your knees in line with your toes and avoid letting them cave in. Squeeze your glutes at the top to lock out and fully extend your hips. And that's the perfect barbell squat. Once you've got your form dialed in, here are a few tweaks to try out. Number 1. Half squats. Performing only the bottom portion of the movement can be beneficial if you're uncomfortable with heavy weights, since you'll typically need to lower the weight by about 50%. Focusing on the bottom half builds strength into the hardest part of the squat. Number 2. Box squats. Using a platform to sit on helps reinforce proper movement patterns by simulating sitting down naturally. Just make sure the box is at parallel or below. If the box is too high, it might encourage poor form. Number 3. Mobility warm-up. If you're struggling to reach full depth, try. Go down to a bodyweight squat and hold for 30 seconds. Leg swings. Front to back and side to side. Number 4. Paused squats. Add a 3-second pause at the bottom of your squat. This eliminates the bounce and builds serious explosive power out of the hole. Number 5. Using a belt. A lifting belt can help stabilize your core and boost performance, but don't rely on it too early. Master your bracing and technique first, then bring the belt in when you're going heavy and want that extra support. And finally, let's address some common mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Sticking your butt out and rounding your lower back. Instead, engage your core and tilt your pelvis to maintain a neutral spine. Mistake number 2. Breathing out at the bottom position. Instead, hold your breath throughout the rep and only exhale at the top to maintain intra-abdominal pressure. Mistake number 3. Using too much weight. Instead, lower the weight until you can achieve full depth with proper form. Mistake number 4. Doing them all at the same time. Which of these mistakes have you caught yourself doing? Drop a comment below and let me know. Check out these videos if you want to learn more. Until next time, verið sæl.